Hello Edmonton, Rob Yashemsky with RJ Homes and EXP Realty here, and today I'm excited to showcase another new listing. This time we're at the 12th Street Station Condominiums, and we're talking townhome style condominiums. Now this area is located right in Tamarack, that's southeast Edmonton, and there is a ton of amenities here. We're talking shopping, restaurants, there's a theater, there's a huge bus depot, and we're conveniently located just off the Whitemud and the Anthony Heyday. Now this unit itself is very unique in two ways. Not only does it have a double attached garage, yes, I know it looks like a single, but you can actually park one car in front of another inside this garage, secure, out of sight and out of mind, out of the elements most of all. The other unique feature about this townhome is that it has two primary bedrooms with their own en-suites and a convenient location for the laundry upstairs on the second level. Now why don't you go ahead and explore. So, what did you think? Isn't this an absolutely amazing property? Like I said, many unique features here, and if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call, 780-222-8222. Of course, all the photos and information will be on our website at RJHomes.ca. Now remember, always share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.